Welcome, and this is Nicholas Moltari talking about auto transcription in Sweden for the number 4 Sustainable Development Goals of the World Education. Today's message is brought to you by XMind, the leading site for mind maps. Firstly, we have group recordings. What you can use education-wise is records of group projects. So for example, in the education system, when students are collaborating, they can now collaborate over Zoom. Since COVID-19 has been a very big thing, and recording in groups allows them to keep track of the information they have talked about between each other, be able to go back on it, and to be able to keep track of scheduled times and things that they talked about. Next thing is insight into business meetings. What Sweden is implementing is during business meetings, employees will record their session that they have over Zoom so that college graduates in Sweden can then look over it. That way they will be top tier leading managers of the world. Being able to see the language, the things they talk about, the things they focus on, what's important, showing the transparency of a company and the operations and practices they have is extremely important. And education is a starting point for any career. So, implementing these ideas will only help strengthen the education, and it doesn't even have to be restricted to just business meetings. They can also do It can be business meetings, it can be about people in the art, history world, any type of conference they can utilize this technology into their meetings and be able to pass it on to the new generation of employees. Lastly, is recording of lectures. During COVID-19, some people now have the options to just do strictly online classes. Being able to record lectures that you have of your professors allows you to go back and pull on the information anytime, giving them an advantage. A lot of times, especially with it being remote, it can be difficult for students to keep their attention trained onto the teacher. So being able to download and look over the things that were said during a lecture can be imperative. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something good today, and I hope you have a good day.